Hi, this is Sam from the Graphic Lab at the Gibson's YMCA Youth Center, and today I'm going to show you how to change the filament on our 3D printer, a Flashforge Creator Pro.
First, you will go to Utilities, and then Filament Loading, and then we're going to ask to unload the right extruder. And now we just need to wait for the machine to get to heat. Once you reach the right temperature, it's going to prompt you to unload your filament. I'm going to show you how to. So you can simply pull on your filament and it should come out. In this case, it's not, so we can also try to press on this lever here that will disengage the gear wheel and help us take it out. In this case, the filament is still not unloading because a little ball of plastic has melted and cooled down at the bottom and it's too big to come out. So I'm going to show you a different technique on how to remove the filament when this happens. So what we're going to do is that we're going to cancel this by pressing OK. And then instead of saying unload right, as we were doing, we're going to tell it to load right, even though what we really want is to unload our filament. So it's going to tell us to begin loading, so we're going to unload it.
You may need to wait a few seconds here for the clog to melt before you're able to pull it out.
Disengage the gear here and pull. And as you can see, the melted filament has come out. I'm going to go down here and press OK. And what I need to do now is to simply thread the filament back in the spool, and it got removed from this black plastic tube. And I can simply remove my blue filament and go find the color I want to print with and load.
Great, so now we've removed our blue PLA filament from our Flashforge Creator Pro, and we're going to install our gold filament in the machine. Follow me.
Okay, to load the filament, before we're going to do anything by giving direction to the machine, we're going to first have all our equipment ready. So, I will grab my gold filament and place the spool on the spool holder right here. Making sure it comes from under and towards the middle. Now that you've placed your bobbin of filament at the right place, you will grab the end of your filament and thread it through right here in the black plastic tube. And as you keep feeding it through this black tube, it will appear at the other end, like this. So now you're ready to give direction again to your machine, and you will say load right, because it is the right extruder we're loading, not the left one. Load right. All you need to do is to wait until the machine heats up, and now you'll be ready to feed the filament into the extruder. Now that the machine has reached the right heat setting, we will go and insert the filament in the top of the extruder, right here.
End of your filament is too tapered. You might need to cut it so it has a nice sharp edge.
And you will feel the little wheels inside grabbing the filament and pulling on it on its own. And now, you simply wait for the filament to ooze like this. You see it starts blue because that's what used to be in it, and slowly there's a gradient of blue to gold. And when you have a solid gold color coming down, you can come back to your control panel and press OK. And you can come here and gently grab the bottom of the filament and pull your leftovers.
So that's it. That's how you change a filament in your 3D printer. So go ahead, make something.